Hello, my name is Saiful Nizam bin Abdurrahim. I will present to you about our research entitled Design and Fabrication of Mold-Based Teaching Tool by Using Rapid Prototype Approach. I behalf on the Polytechnic Sultan Abdul Halim Muazzam Shah, what we call is Polymas, joining of the IMC 2022, focus on the fabrication on to upgrade our teaching and learning process. For project description, we are focusing on teaching learning on ABM equal to approach for the upgrading the process to the teaching and learning activities on the teaching and on the classroom. The aim of to improve student understanding and knowledge of the mold, especially in the feed system. As what we can say, all students polytechnic, especially who are taking courses of mechanical engineering in bracket plastic technology, all students should take this syllabus, these courses to ensure the student are ability to contribute to our field. The existing ABM, or we call is a teaching tool, mold basically heavy, and this is difficult for lecturer to bring into the lecturing room. From this problem, we try to modify and to get more easier, especially to all lecturer. The advantage what we look into is to complete component to fit all together the mold base such as our feed system, inside cavity and workpiece pocket. For our information, all students, especially who are semester 5, they will take the subject DJC 583, which a mold design. The all students should practice their ability how to make their mold. Accordingly, use the software program. In our polytechnic, we focusing using AutoCAD Inventor to assist students how to make their mold design. Mold base are part of content activity for injection mold. For the student plus plastic student, yeah, will be use the mold design. The mold base consists of several parts, including injector plate, support plate, feed clamp plate. These are parts require a high level of understanding to avoid any mistake that we will make by student during the process operating in injection molding machine. From problem step 1, we are focusing into how to create, how to solve a difficult identify of mold-based component currently and its detail. The problem result student not be able to answer continuous assessment correctly. On the meantime, continuous assessment is to assess student from the knowledge and skill of student in mastering the theory. On the other hand, if not able to master the topic, the mold designed properly, the student does not get full mark, will cause student marks increase and reduce the mark of specific. For this main objective of this project is to produce a teaching aid application for mold based using rapid prototype to facilitate student understanding. For our value of a project, the originality of teaching aid applied design project for the mold base using augmented reality, especially we focus on design of 3D design, especially we use the rapid prototyping, makes easier for students to understand and function of each part of the mold base. It also can be teaching aids to help lecturer to increase student understanding of the topic, a standard mold part. In addition, the application attract students to better understanding mold base because the application using QR and code scanner using Aleta. from this project, we look into big impact of project, finding of the development of mole-based teaching aids application with improved augmented reality, and also we combine with a design of rapid prototyping, a part of facilitating the teaching process, mole design topic. Also can teaching aid strength student understanding, achieve learning objective of mole application. For commercial value, we look into this product are able to commercialize to skill training institute to facilitate R&D delivery methods. It also to cultivating the application of IR 4.0, change in the increase of the productivity of a process. It also can be commercialized into the teaching and its application for mole based focus on 3D dimensioning picture, 3D writing. On our focusing, we look into the characteristic of IR 4.0. For currently, we are focusing for two parts of area element of IR 4.0. First, we look into the additive manufacturing. We focus on rapid prototyping. And also we can add more some element of augmented reality to combine two type of element to make sure our students are very interesting on their teaching learning process. For copyright, we success to get the registered by copyright by my IPO. We are registered on number LY 2031 P06383. We are involved one of the in area of our presentation. This project got a bronze medal award for the process of the. Next, we focus on the design process, design project. We are using a design thinking for elaborate of this subject matter. This is a step what we are looking into how to make their. We change from the real to the rapid prototyping process. We can look into the process from A process, another we change to B process and C process. Then we continue to the previous. Then after we make using the AutoCAD, the process to make, then we change to, we convert to the RP prototyping process. This is a process we're looking at using the AutoCAD Inventor. Our student create using the AutoCAD Inventor, the base, and we transfer to rapid prototype process. And when we focus on the function and demonstrate effective process, after we run the process, we get some evaluation from our student. Then the most student give scale 4 means the process, the output can get a safety, understanding, function, final product, eco-friendly, material sustainability, ergonomic, and types. All majority student put scale 4. Alright, for the disadvantage of the innovation over the existing, we can see the what we call is before and after pre-test and post-test. What we have done, maybe we can see the differentiate of a two type. Means when we look into their weight, the real the weight becomes 6.9 kilogram, and when we use the rapid prototype, their weight just 430 gram only. This show their effectiveness when we use this type of process. When we look into the material, the advantage, we use a prospect assisted or conduct, explain the mold base, use it more easily, and we use a PLA element, a complete component including the process immediately. This is what we can compare before and after. For project effectiveness, we look into this is what we done in the classroom process before and after. Before student look like not very interesting. After we use this process, the increase of the student are very high. This is one of the process after we use the rapid prototyping. Number 1, we change to number 2 process, and number 3, we change to number 4, and last on number 5, how we change from the real to a rapid prototyping process. For project disadvantage, we can look this is very good and a process for process teaching and aid process for more focus on 3D dimensioning. Therefore, finding from the test of the application teaching aids for mold-based using rapid prototyping receive positive feedback. For conclusion, we look is improve the design and functioning of existing of teaching aids mold-based. Innovation help to instructor teaching learning and also student improve their understanding of the mold-based. The advantage of design of be produced is has a complete component. It must be on mold such as fit system, insert cavity and work pocket. In addition, the advantage of product is light and easy to lecture to move from a class to another class. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention.